Yesterday I sent you some questions.
I did not see.
Why? You have to complete the homework, beta. If you are not doing the homework, then how can I know that you are doing something you're practicing for Olympiad and you'll score good marks in that. If you are not able to score good marks in the first level, then how will you reach this for the second level? What is your target for giving the Olympiad?
What?
What is your target for giving this Olympiad?
Out of 50, 48 or 49.
Beta, I want the written work of yours. You're not writing. Multiples and factors, you have done doing that? The questions I have given you, where are the questions? Do you have that questions?
What question? In WhatsApp. Let me check. Yes, ma'am, I have.
Kindly start with that question, then you have to do that.
Okay.
Few questions, only 5 questions are there. No, not more questions are. First question is,
Ma'am, you are not sharing.
the questions are with you. You have to solve. Kindly a note over here.
Ma'am, can you share?
What to share?
Okay.
The question is, find the LCM.
Yes.
12, 15, 20.
12, 15, 20 and 27.
Right division.
Ma'am, should I share the screen?
I've given you the remote control to annotate over here on the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. 12, 15.
It is difficult to drag the mouse.
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell me, I'll annote in on behalf of you. You have to speak whatever you are speaking, I'll write on the board.
Okay. 5,
Have to write.
521, 4149, 2, 2129, 2, 1119, 3, 1113, then again 3.
Now,
3 into 5, 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
now,
Ma'am, where I should get 3 into 5, 15, 2 into 2, 4, 15 into 4, 60, 60 into 9, which gives you 540.
ACM. The next question is find the LCM by prime factorization method. How will you show the LCM by prime factorization method? Questions I'm giving you 3, 4 questions. At least try to attempt 2 or 1 for the homework. This means that you are not trying for the homework. I know that you are busy, you have a busy schedule, but at least you have to look at the what is given for that. Otherwise, I'll not send the homework part.
Ma'am,
Like this,
LC
yeah.
method. Yes.
Now, Like this we have to do. For prime factorization, we have to make it like this. Now what is that? Is it divisible by 2?
121 is not divisible. Mom, I do not run remote control, I still have. Mom, you are in mute. Mom, can you take off remote control? Mom.
The number you have to read. How many numbers are there? Can we take common?
Yes.
So those numbers which are common, we have to write only once, and those are left, we have to write separately. So this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 we have to write. 1 times 3 we have to write. 1 times 7 we have to write, and 1 times 19 we have to write. So total LCM is, calculate. Calculated.
Mom, answer is 25,536.
Next,
Mom, 25,000.
25,436.
No, 536.
Next question. Read from the PDF.
Ma'am,
From the PDF, next question.
ma'am, ma'am, I am reading it up. Find the HCF of 144, 180 and 192 by the prime factorization method.
Here we have to find the HCF. By prime factorization method. Notebook, in the notebook you have to do. Take the notebook and do it.
Ma'am, 12.
Huh?
12 is the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is common factors?
Factors. Common factors. 2, 2 and 3.
Ma'am, HCF is 12.
Yes. This is the method to do. by next question. Next question answer, you tell me please.
Okay, ma'am. I'm looking. Find the HCF of 136 and 345 by division method. Yes, ma'am. One 23 is the answer. Ma'am, 23.
Now I am giving you more questions. Okay. This question is from integers. Is this color visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Make it dark. Which is the largest and smallest? Integer between -8 and -2 respectively. The option is
Ma'am, option D.
option D. How?
Ma'am, how? Because he said the largest and smallest integer between -8 and -2.
Largest integer.
Ma'am?
-7 is the largest integer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is larger than -3.
Ma'am, -3 larger.
In the question it is given largest and smallest integer. Don't be in a hurry, understand the question very well. Then give us.
Ma'am, it should be C, option C.
There is an assertion reasoning question. What is assertion and reason question?
No, ma'am.
Assertion is a simple statement. There are two statements.
Yes, ma'am.
One is assertion and second is reason. Sometimes the reason is the correct reason of that first statement, and sometimes it is not. And sometimes the statement is false. What you have to do, you have to check that there are four options like MCQ in which you have to write.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
People like this, these all are natural numbers. It is 0 is being discovered. The first number to be discovered were natural numbers. That is not the 0 is not the natural number. It starts from the 1. Okay. This collection of numbers are known as integers. Okay.
Yes.
Is it I'm writing the statements where the reason or the correction is there. This is the reason. This is the statement for the reason. Is this statement is correct or is this reason is correct? So I'm giving you 4 options. Here, A means assertion and R means reason. Okay, you have to read both the statements. Either it is true or false. First, you think that is it true or is it
What?
statement is true or false? Tell me.
Let-
First statement is true or false?
Yes, I'm reading. Mom, A is not right.
A is not right.
Mom, because 0 is not there in natural numbers.
No. A and R are correct.
Yes.
And is the correct explanation. Sometimes both are correct, but R is not the correct. A and R. Just understand these 4 options, okay?
Yes.
Both are, but sometimes R is not, but R is not what the correct explanation. Okay? The C part is A is true,
Yes, ma'am.
but sometimes R statement is false. Sometimes you can say that R is false and A is true. Which option is correct? Either A, B, C, D. Here you are saying that A option is false. A option is false. What about the B option? The collection of numbers is known as integers.
Yes, ma'am.
It is to be integers is the true statement or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You can find out of all 4 options, like MCQ, we have 4 options. Here also we have 4 options, A, B, C, and D. So which option is correct? If the A is false, then obviously A and B option is not there. C part is A is true and D part R is false.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
C and D both mean this. Okay.
Okay, A is false and R is true.
Then option D is the answer.
Option D is the answer. So here you have to do like this. First, you have to find that the statements, if suppose both the statements are correct, okay? Suppose both the statements are correct, like this is also true and this is also true. Sometimes the reason is true, any true statement is there, but it is not the exact, this answer is not linked with this answer. It is not entirely linked with that answer. So you have to write that is not the correct explanation of A. Though both are true, we cannot deny that. Both the statements are different, both are true, but it is not giving any clue or any logic behind the assertion. So you have to give B option. And you can see that if R is false and A is true, you give the C option. And like in this case, if the R is always false and A is true, you have to give the D option. This is called assertion reasoning questions.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want any other question for assertion reasoning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be giving you. Wait. From the chapter, which chapter you want? Assertion reasoning?
Ma'am, I do not know which chapter it is.
Hmm?
I do not know which chapter it is.
You have the whole chapter, whole book is coming for the Olympiad.
Ma'am, I don't have the Olympiad book.
No issues. You have a course book. You have a course book. The Olympiad questions are coming from your course book.
Ma'am, which course book?
Your CBSE, ICSE or your state board.
Ma'am, is RS Agarwal okay?
Yes, RS Agrawal is okay. You practice the RS Agrawal for Olympiad also.
Ma'am, which chapter is it?
Where? Any chapter, any chapter. Assertion reasoning questions comes from any chapter. It is not a particular chapter it is coming. From any chapter it is coming. You want any particular chapter? I'll give you the questions.
Ma'am, integers.
Integers.
Yes.
Okay. Today I'll be sending the homework from assertion reasoning only.
Okay.
Integers we have. So you know the options. I'm not writing the options again. You have to say that is it A, B, C, or D? Assertion statement is negative of minus 13 is minus 13, which is equal to 13. Reason is the successor of minus 7 is equals to minus 7 plus 1 is equals to minus 6.
Ma'am, reason is correct. Ma'am, but it does not give any explanation to the assertion.
So what about the assertion? Assertion is correct or not?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
So you have to mark that in your mind, you have to mark both are true. Okay. This is also true and this is also true. Okay. Now we have only A and B option for that. Now we have to check that the reason is either giving the explanation of A or not. It is giving?
No.
No. So if it is not giving, then option B is correct.
Yes.
Clear? Next question. So option B. Assertion, one more question I'm giving. 0 is greater than you have a class now? 5 o'clock?
Yes. Ma'am, you can take.
I have also a class. Every positive integer. Okay, first statement is, do you feel that it is correct?
No,
Hmm?
ma'am, it is wrong.
It is false. So, but obvious, if this is wrong, then what about answer you have to find? Either the reason is correct or not, doesn't matter.
Second one is true. Reason is true.
So, what will be the option? A, B, C, or D?
Answer should be.
You have to remember that. What is
Ma'am,
for
D.
B?
D.
D. Yes. In the D option only, assertion is false, and
Reason is true.
here in the C option, that is the opposite. A is true, but R is false. Okay, so we have the correct option D. So you can leave now. I'll be sending more questions. And Karna, it's my request to complete the homework. Whenever I give you 3-4 questions, you have to do.
Yes.
Otherwise, we continue with this. Today I have taken first the homework part and then I have explained this. So please complete the homework part and then we will proceed. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.